What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $63,024, so we're trading relatively the same compared to yesterday's price. As you can see, Bitcoin is still trading in this consolidated narrow-like trading pattern. This particular pattern is very common to see across all markets, including Bitcoin and crypto. It's actually a very positive, I wouldn't say positive, but it's actually a very good pattern to see. It gives us a more particular form of where Bitcoin's price can do next. It has more of a predictable outcome compared to other charts, in my opinion. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 5 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 5 touch points. So we have many touch point patterns, which is very good to see. As you can see within that pattern, I've drawn with the green marker my opinion on what the price can do next. It may not exactly go that way. The candlesticks can do whatever they want, but that is just my high-end prediction on what it can do. As seen with the top orange arrow, we could break that top trend line and go and move upward in price. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict. Those are very high resoluted conflicts going on in the macro world of crypto specifically. Well, not necessarily specifically crypto, but all of macro economics. But hopefully that gets resolved soon. It may not get resolved at all. That is also another possibility. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin with the orange arrow, that's just an indicator we could break that bottom trend line and dip even further. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour chart setup. I do want to give you guys a broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity with the 4 hour chart. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $63,022. So relatively the same compared to the 1 hour chart. As you can see on this particular chart pattern on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading in this ascending like channel. This is a very, pattern usually indicates a more bullish perspective or outlook for Bitcoin in the near term. But like always, patterns aren't always a great indicator of what the price can do next. They're just a tool for an educated guess, just like many other systems in the world of trading, particularly Bitcoin and crypto. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 4 touch points. As seen, drawn within the channel with the green marker, that is just my prediction on what the price can do next. Again, it may not exactly go that way. The candlesticks can do whatever they want. As seen, drawn with the top orange arrow, that's just my prediction of we could break that top trend line and move upward in price. Same with the bottom orange arrow, we could break that bottom trend line and dip even further. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour and 4 hour chart setup. Do you agree with it or not? Do you use what indicators, what tools, what pattern systems do you use to conduct your technical analysis? And like always, be careful. This is not financial advice. Stay cautious when buying crypto, especially Bitcoin and other alternative coins and stuff like that. But just let me know your real thoughts and opinions. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.